Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss the entrepreneurship, its basic concept, definition, and meaning. So, first, let's talk about some successful entrepreneur of India. Karsanbhai Patel. Karsanbhai Patel was born in 1945. He graduated in chemistry. इनिशियली वो एक लैब टेक्नीशियन का काम करते थे. बाद में उन्होंने स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के लिए काम किया. करसन भाई स्टार्टेड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फॉस्फेट फ्री डिटर्जेंट पाउडर, जिसका नाम उन्होंने अपनी डॉटर निरुपमा के नाम पर निर्मा रखा. आफ्टर ऑफिस आवर वो अपने घर के बैकयार्ड में इसके मैन्युफैक्चरिंग और पैकेजिंग का काम करते एंड sold on his bicycle while going to his workplace. He started door-to-door selling of Nirma. उन्होंने अपने डिटर्जेंट को ₹3 पर केजी पर बेचना शुरू किया और उस समय जो सबसे सस्ते डिटर्जेंट मार्केट में अवेलेबल थे उसका प्राइस था ₹13 पर केजी. बेस्ट क्वालिटी विथ चीपेस्ट प्राइस. देखते ही देखते उनका ये डिटर्जेंट पॉपुलर हो गया. आफ्टर 3 years, he left his job and established a small factory near Ahmedabad. Next entrepreneur, Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal. Flipkart is an Indian e-commerce company based in Bangalore, Karnataka. It was founded by Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal in 2007. शुरुआत उन्होंने ऑनलाइन बुक स्टोर से की थी. At present, they deal in almost all product categories like consumer electronics, fashion, home essentials and groceries, and lifestyle products. Next entrepreneur, Prem Ganapati, also known as the Dosa King. प्रेम गणपति 17 years के थे जब वो अपनी फैमिली को छोड़कर तमिलनाडु से मुंबई आए. When he stepped his foot on the ground Mumbai, he was cheated. उनके पॉकेट में 200 रुपए थे और वो भी चोरी हो गए. Yet, he decided to try his luck. अगले ही दिन उन्हें एक बेकरी में बर्तन धोने का काम मिला. He worked harder day and night to earn more and more money. 2 सालों में उन्होंने इतने पैसे जमा कर लिए that he could start his own work. He rented a hand cart in 150 rupees to sell his traditional food idlis and dosas. He started experimenting with dosa by putting new ingredients. By 2002, his business became so popular that is known as Dosa Plaza. There are some key factors which are common in case of all of them. Number 1, innovative idea. Innovative idea, it means something new. New product, new technology, new utilities, new managerial skill. Number 2, risk taking. All of them had taken risk. Entrepreneurship is essentially a risk bearing task. Number 3, vision. It means you must have forecasting. आपको पता होना चाहिए where you want to reach. Number 4, organizing skill. Actually, this is the most important key factor because in the absence of organizing skill, all the innovation will fail to stimulate economic development, to encourage economic development. On the basis of these key factors, now we can say entrepreneur is an individual who have innovative idea, starts his own business, bear all kind of risk and have organizing skill. Now definitions of entrepreneur. First definition according to JB say an entrepreneur is the economic agent who unites all means of production, land of one, the labor of another, and the capital of yet another, and thus produces a product. By selling the product in the market, he pays rent of land, wages to labor, interest on capital, and what remains is his profit. Now, economic agent, it means a person, company, or organization that has an influence in the economy by producing, buying, or selling. So, we can say an entrepreneur is an organizer who combines various factors of production to produce a socially viable product. It means socially usable product. Second definition, according to Joseph Schumpeter, an entrepreneur is an advanced economy is an individual who introduces something new in the economy, a method of production not yet tested by experience in the branch of manufacture concern, a product with which consumers are not yet familiar, a new source of raw material or of new markets and the like. So, according to Schumpeter, the function of an entrepreneurship are number one, introduction of a new product, it means innovation. Number two, introduction of methods of production, new methods, new technology. Number three, developing new markets and finding fresh source of raw material. And the last one is making changes. In simple word, we can say an entrepreneur is the person who bears risk, unites various factors of production like land, labor, capital to exploit the perceived opportunities. It means to grab the opportunity in order to evoke demand, to create demand, create wealth and employment. That's why government also support entrepreneurship because as the number of entrepreneurs increases, it generates more employment opportunity, pay more taxes to the government, reduces poverty, and this will increase standard of living of people. Moving ahead, now the meaning of entrepreneur. The word entrepreneur is derived from the French word entreprendre. It means to undertake. So, the word entrepreneur means one who takes the risk of starting a new organization or introducing a new idea, product, or services to the society. Next, an entrepreneur is an individual with knowledge, skills, initiative, drive, and spirit of innovation who aims at achieving goals. एंटरप्रेन्योर एक ऐसा व्यक्ति होता है जिसके पास पर्याप्त नॉलेज है, स्किल है और वो कुछ नया क्रिएटिव करने की सोच रखता है, वो दूर की सोचता है, उसका पूरा ध्यान अपने लक्ष्य पर होता है। An entrepreneur identifies opportunities and seizes opportunities for economic benefits. An entrepreneur, it means an entrepreneur always search for new opportunities and utilize those opportunities for economic benefits. Now, what is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship is a dynamic activity which helps the entrepreneur to bring changes in the process of production, innovation in production, new uses of materials, creator of market. Entrepreneur एक constantly changing activity है जो entrepreneur को help करती है कुछ नया करने, production process में changes लाने and to develop new uses of material and to create new market. Next, it's a skill, a viewpoint, a thinking, a techniques and a working procedure. So, it's a skill, a viewpoint, a thinking. As you all know, objective of any business is to earn maximum profit. But in case of entrepreneur, it's not just profit earning. Entrepreneur The motive of entrepreneurship is to solve the problems faced by the society by providing them new and better products, using new techniques and create new market. Next, entrepreneurship refers to the process of action an entrepreneur undertakes to establish his enterprise. It is concerned with the performance and coordination of the entrepreneurship function. So, entrepreneurship एक प्रक्रिया है जिसके द्वारा entrepreneur अपना बिजनेस सेटअप करता है, उससे रिलेटेड सभी फंक्शंस को कोऑर्डिनेट करता है. So, in simple words, we can say entrepreneurship is an act of being an entrepreneur. This is all for today. Goodbye and take care.